So I've got Chrome installed here. As you can see, it started installing some extensions, which brought open some windows. Normally whenever it comes to recording and things like that, I don't like to use my normal Google account for that sort of thing. There's a couple reasons for this, but it's just usually easier to have a separate profile. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to manage people, and I'm going to add a person. So I almost always do this with any new computer. I will set up something like john@calhoun.io. And this is what I'm going to use whenever I'm recording any videos or doing anything like that. So then I can choose a profile for it. So maybe I want this dog here, and I'll add it. And then from this point on, this is the one that I would go ahead and use for all my videos, that sort of stuff. I just find that it makes it a little bit easier. That way if I want to open up certain stuff, I can. But I can also close all these windows and leave my own personal space separate. So there's Chrome. I'm probably going to need my logged in one at some point because I'm going to be signing into Github and stuff like that, but we can leave that there. I'm going to close. I didn't mean to close Safari. Okay, let me get Safari back up. And just github.com. And then I want to go to this README one. I want to get this URL is what I'm trying to do before I close this. Okay, so inside of here, I'm going to bring this up. Probably going to sign in here. So, John Calhoun. I don't know which password I'm using right now. So. I think that's the right password for this. Sign in here. And I need a code. Okay, so I'm signed in here. I might want to do it over here, but I'm probably just going to go ahead and stick with this. I'm going to go to GitHub gists. Actually, I'm just going to go to the URL. And I'm going to see if I can edit this. Is there a way to clone? I thought you could clone gist, but I might not be able to clone my own. Okay, so I've got this done. I'm probably going to want to grab all of this other stuff and start undoing it because I haven't done any of this. So I'm going to do this off screen. Basically what I'm doing is I'm uncheck marking all these boxes so that we can go through and start doing this stuff. So I can start recording what all I'm using for all these different settings. I'll probably start with the Mac settings just because they're the ones that tend to bug me the most. I say bug me as in like I hate having this dock bar down here. It takes up a lot of screen space that I don't like giving up. A couple things like that. So we're going to do that first, and then hopefully in a couple videos after that, we'll be able to jump into looking at more things like my terminal, different stuff like that that you're probably going to care more about.